All right, let's dive into today's explainer, a wild, transformative story about a potato.
So, have you ever felt a little rougher on the edges? Hey, we've all been there.
Meet our potato, literally sad, covered in dirt, and just feeling pretty miserable.
But wait, enter the gentle peeler. It's here to kickstart a slow, steady change.
The peeler steps in saying, "Hey, don't worry, I'll help you little by little."
That's the secret. Start small and just carefully scrape away that extra unwanted skin. Now, change is totally scary. Obviously, our little guy felt pretty nervous at first. But the payoff is huge. A rough exterior totally gives way to a shiny, happy outcome. He literally shouted for joy. "Wow, I feel so much better now." The peeler really hit the nail on the head. Small changes make a massive difference. You see, true self-improvement, it never happens overnight. It's always a step-by-step thing. And crazy enough, this quirky little vegetable fable, it actually ties into ancient philosophy. Yup, this exact lesson comes straight from the Hitopadesha, a deeply revered Sanskrit text.
It features this incredible Sanskrit Shloka that perfectly captures the whole concept.
It simply translates to this: great things are achieved slowly and steadily. Absolutely perfect. So, I gotta ask you, what's one small layer you can peel away today?